Hello students, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. Let's continue with our chapter that is the Good Samaritan of English subject. Children, in the previous class we have studied that the man was lying wounded on his way. Children, first I'll read the paragraph and then we'll explain you. The man lay bleeding to death on the side of the road, and along came a priest. So, in the picture, children, can you see the man was lying on the road bleeding to death? At that time, what happened? At that time, there came a priest. Priest means the person who do the religious customs is called a priest. Like in Kannada, one kind of pujari. So children, this is the picture of priest. When he saw the man, he was so shocked that he stood and stared. So children, the priest, when he saw the man in this condition, he was very shocked that the man bleeding person is very terrible looking. So, what the priest did, let's read next. The man could barely raise his head to beg for help, but the priest only backed away. He tried not to look as he passed him as quickly as he could. So, what happened, children? Here, the priest is a very cunning man. He is very selfish, you can say. When he saw the person lying with wounded, he was shocked, but he didn't help that person. He instead of helping that person, he went from there. That priest, God, who is doing the customs and traditions of God, went from there and he did not help the wounded person. Even he passed as quickly as he could move from there. Now let's read the third paragraph. The man lay in the dirt mooning until another man came along. He saw the man all covered in blood and dirt and making funny noises in the ditch. So, what happened, children? Here, the man was mooning. Mooning means the sorrow, the sound in pain is called as mooning. The man was already wounded and he was bleeding like anything. So he was mooning. At that time, what happened? The people who were moving from there, they started making funny noises and they started even throwing the stone to the man who was lying in the ditch. Ditch means khadde mein. So at that time, again one man came and let's see what he is saying now. This is the picture of the man. Let's move to the words. Oh, he looks terrible. I wouldn't ever want to touch him. Besides, I am sure he is no one I know, and he passed him by as well. The person, can you see in the picture, children? The person, he is also unknown person, and he is saying that this person who is lying with all this situation, that he is not related to me. He is looking very terrible. I will not help this person. Instead of helping, as because he is not related to me, and I will walk away from here. By saying this, the person went away from there. Then later on, what happened in the fourth paragraph? Let's see, children. First, I'll read the paragraph. Then a Samiratan came walking along the road. The man who lay in the dirt was a Jew. Samirathan and Jiv had made enemies for hundreds of years. Now, children, what happened here? The man who was lying on the road were enemies for hundreds of years. But then also, when Samiratan saw that person in a very bad condition, bleeding on the road, he came to that person to see the condition why he was lying on the road and to see what help he can do. Now, children, let's read the next paragraph and will explain you. Very gently, he lifted the man's head and brushed the dust out of his mouth. He took some water and cleaned the man's eyes and gave him some water to drink. He put wine on his wounds, he cleaned them and made them heal quickly. So what happened here, children? Samirathan, he took the man's head up little bit and then he brushed all the dust. जो भी डस्ट लगा था उसके, डस्ट मीन्स मड, जो भी उसके मड लगा था उसके मुंह पे एंड बॉडी पे, ही ब्रश्ड दैट, ही उसने उसे निकाला एक कपड़े के इससे. देन ही applied their water and even wine he applied there to get the wound heal very quickly. It means the person gave some water to drink, cleaned his eyes and put the wine on the wound. Wound means zakham. Then he carried the man and put him on to his donkey and brought him into town. Then later on, can you see in the picture? He put the man on the donkey and brought him to the town. Town means village. So that he can take care of that person and he should get well soon. So children, let's stop the video here. Children, read the paragraph again and again. Watch the video, understand it. Bye bye. Take care.